Greetings from Bethlehem Public Library. It's never too early to think spring, and we make it easy for you to cultivate your own green thumb with our brand new seed library.
A seed library is a free exchange of seeds intended to promote a sharing economy along with sustainability and food security. Seed libraries also allow heirloom and open-pollinated seed varieties to be preserved, along with allowing people to grow their own healthy food.
The seed library, located at the back of the information desk, offers a variety of vegetables, as well as some herbs and flowers.
All of our seeds came from the Hudson Valley Seed Company, which is a local seed company located in the Hudson Valley, and it originally started as a seed library in a public library. Our seed library contains all open-pollinated seed varieties, which means that the plants were not created by crossing two different types of seed varieties together. When seeds from an open-pollinated variety are saved, they will grow the same plant that the seed originally came from, unless it inadvertently crosses with a species very similar close to it in the garden.
So I've got tomatoes, zucchini, peppers, green beans, cucumbers, and butternut squash. Not new to gardening. We do raised bed garden. This is our third year. Really great that they're organic. That's really important to us.
To use the seed library, browse through the growing instructions binder to see what's available. You can currently choose up to 6 packets per household per year. Fill out a checkout slip and place it in the box provided. Your information helps us track how many people use the seed library and which seeds are in demand. Seed packets are arranged in the bins by number.
In the first 2 weeks, our most popular seeds have been cucumbers, tomatoes, zucchini, and basil. We'll keep replenishing seeds as supplies get low, so if something that you were interested in isn't there, please do check back.
You'll find growing instructions and a list of what's available on our website.
This year, we are not looking for people to return saved seeds from plants they've grown from our seed library. In the future, we would like to try to start a process to allow patrons to return saved seeds, both to help replenish the seeds in our library and also to allow the plants to adapt to our hyper-local environment.
We also have a full calendar of gardening programs to support our seed library. Check out our Footnotes newsletter or visit us online for more information. For more information about the seed library, visit us at bethlehempubliclibrary.org or give us a call at 518-439-9314.